Finally, Black Friday, and it is Black Hat for release Friday as well. Is that a huge line to get into Sephora? What the hell? I already see people with JD sports bags. I think they did open up early today. 9:02, and they're just opening. And there is a line for the fours. I'm not trying to buy one, so I just walked right in. But yeah, the Black Hat fours, everybody's in line for these right here. I got 2 pairs coming, so I'm not buying one here, but this does have the Nike Air on the back. Great nubuck material on these, great look. All the resellers are out for these because they are going for like $300 on StockX. I did check this morning. But yeah, that's dope, man. They're dope. And then I did come here to check out if they have any other big discounts. And even before Black Friday, I did say, hey, they're just gonna continue their sales. I don't see any crazy sales coming. But as predicted, people are going crazy over these Black Hat 4s. So that's what everybody's trying to go after this morning. I just showed all these in my last video, so I'm not gonna go over all of them. This is a crazy good deal right here. $60 or under $60, and this one's going for $60 because you do get that 25% off. Oh, they might be sold out of the Air More Up-Tempo lows. Dang, dude, maybe I should have grabbed one. They were around $100, I think 105 here. I see one of the workers talking to someone about the Black Hats. They do squeak when you wear them. Kind of weird. I don't think I've ever seen these Field Generals that are denim. Got these dunks right here for $60, denim dunks. Someone's really into denim. This is all the women's area. I've been telling you guys about these. Cheapest place for forces here. They got them up to size 12 usually too, so that's up to 10.5 men's. But yeah, 25% off anything with the blue tag on them. Still got these in grade school. Olympic Air Max Up-Tempos or Air More Up-Tempos. I can't believe they still got these, and there's no sales price on it, but if I remember, these are on sale for like 70 or 80 bucks, something like that. So with that 25% off, way cheap. And everybody's still in line for the 4, so they are controlling how many people come in for those. They have a line outside. They still have these, which is definitely a surprise. Foot Locker, they did their release through their app, and you had to reserve a pair. This is their retros right here. And I definitely did not hit on their app. Still got these grade school pairs right here for hella cheap. If I remember from earlier this week, the sales were actually better at Champs. Nothing too crazy here. At Lids right here, they got buy one, get one 50% off, but they also say they got $5 hats. Curious to see what these $5 hats are. I don't really see any here for $5. Oh, are these the $5 hats right here? Is that what they are? Not really much. Lakers fitted hat, but other than that, not really that much. They got doorbuster deals apparently at GameStop. And we got Champs right here. I don't even know if Champs did a release on these through the app or not. Some interesting Jordan 1 lows. I don't think I've ever seen these. Okay, $130 for these. These are an SE. Still got their 70% off rack, seeing if there's anything new. Just the CSG merch we saw before. $10 shorts. Do have the New Balance shorts still. Mostly CSG gear though. Yeah, the New Balance stuff. Like bright and too short. Grade school section, or is this the women's? Yeah, grade school section still. Decent deals, $40 for all these. And these right here in the women's section, such a good freaking deal. $50, $40 for these bad boys. Right here, $574 is pretty decent price. These $990s? $990s? Going for $50? These do retail for like, yeah, these are grade school. These retail for like, I don't know how much grade school retails for, $150 or something like that. I know men's pairs retail for like $190, $200, and $480s right here. They got some decent deals. Deals better at Champs than Foot Locker right now. Look at this, grade school pairs for $80. Wow. Men's pairs right here, $60 for all kinds of dunks. But yeah, as I mentioned, pretty much the same deals that they had on Tuesday. Men's 90/60 right here. That might be one of the cheapest we've ever seen these. Yeah, 740s right here. I don't really know much about these, but seems like a pretty good price. And then 574s. This is a men's pair right here. 574s for $40. I'm gonna hit up the New Balance outlet, so we'll see if they got prices like that. That's crazy. I know Shoe Palace opened up an hour early. I think JD Sports opened up early as well. Oh, and did they release this today? Did they? I didn't know that. On Tuesday, their sales were pretty mediocre. I think it's still the same, but yeah, that ain't bad. $50 for these bad boys. Not bad. They got full size run. These are the Forrest Gumps. And they do got a lot of red tags, but like I said, on Tuesday, their sales are, I don't know, not as steep as a lot of the other chains right now. I did look for the 11s, was not able to find them. New colorway of these Vomero Plus right here in the women's section. These look pretty dope, dude. Like that color, but not liking them prices, $180. And they do look hella comfy, but don't think I need them like that. Yes, they did open at 8 a.m. just like Shoe Palace. That's interesting. I knew Shoe Palace opened at 8 a.m. and I knew they were releasing some extra pairs of the 4s, but I already won a pair, or I actually won 2 pairs. Won 2 pairs online this morning, so I did not come here super early. So what a lot of people did, they came to JD Sports at 8 a.m. They came here at 8 a.m. Probably even before. And then they went to Chic, picked up 3 pairs. Pretty sure that's what a lot of the resellers did. And unfortunately, if you want to get one for retail, that's kind of what you have to do, man. It's kind of what you have to do. Fortunately, I won one on sneakers, one on Dick's Sporting Goods app. But yeah, not really seeing any additional sales like I predicted on Tuesday. Do got these AEs right here, the AE2s, $130 for these bad boys. You got the Bruce Lee collabs right here. I think that says Bruce Lee, right? That says Bruce Lee. These are the Kareem Abdul-Jabbar Bruce Lee collab thingy, but yeah, $70. I think these came out like 100 or something. But yeah, no extra sales. Pretty much the same thing as Tuesday. So we're gonna wrap this up and we're gonna hit up another mall. I haven't been to Topanga in forever, so I guess I'll do that today. They do got boots on sale if you need some boots. $140 for these. I don't know the retail. I think the retail's $2. These are the Geodomes right here. I do love the exposed air unit, but pretty much the same stuff as Tuesday, as kind of what I told y'all on Tuesday. But yeah, I do got some of these. But yeah, man, pretty much the same stuff. So we're gonna cut this short. We're gonna move on to the next spot. So yeah, let's go to the next spot, man. Let's go to the next spot. They got these right here. And they got the black ones too. All right, I'm in Westfield, Topanga. I've been driving around here for 10 minutes. No freaking parking. We might continue this vlog tomorrow because this is insane. I'm not wasting 30-40 minutes looking for parking. This is crazy. While I was leaving, parking spot opened up, so I guess we're continuing the vlog. Let's go. All right, let's see how many stores I can hit up before I get tired of all these crowds. Asia ones in multiple different colorways. I don't think I've ever seen these 2 colorways. I think I've seen like a purple one. I think I've seen a purple one, right? Yeah, I think so. But yeah, I got 3 different colorways. These are going for $115. Okay, maybe the signs are just missing at some of the stores because I was like, I swear I've seen these for 100. These are the Vomero 18s. And online, they had them for 80. They didn't have them this morning. I did check, and they weren't 20% off like they were before. Got some of the Shocks. Decent prices. Not crazy good, but decent prices. 50% off. And like I said, pretty crazy to see 12s. 12s never would go on sale. And Foot Lockers are packed to sell, but like I'm telling you, like, not that great of deals, not that many red tags. I am happy to see all the Evo SLs on sale, which is crazy because they weren't even on sale at the Adidas website. Y'all will see that coming up. But I'm telling y'all, like, decent stuff, but not crazy compared to many of the other stores, including Champs, which is their much as the same store, kind of crazy. But starting to see these TLs going down in price. I really like these. They don't work for me, but I really do like them. And I was like, I know this ain't on sale. No, nope. Got one of the latest and greatest shoe palaces, just super big. They do got plenty of J's. I haven't seen these at too many spots. They still have the cave stones. These are size 11. Oh, 10 and a half. 10 and a half cave stones right here. People are saying, hey, people are asking me, hey, can you find these on sale? Like, dude, they're sold out almost everywhere. Why would they be on sale? I don't think some of you guys realize, like, hey, if stuff sells like really well, like they're not gonna throw it on sale. That's why only the stuff that's left over goes on sale. Who had these, didn't? Yeah, Shoe Palace had these on sale, $100 for these. That's crazy because these are such nice material. Even got some of the .77s here now. Haven't seen these too often. These are starting to go the right direction. Hell yeah. Down to $60. We've seen them for $80 at some spots. This is the cheapest we've seen. This black one right here. I will end up grabbing these. I don't know. Should I wait till the price goes down further, or should I just grab them now? Definitely not grabbing them today. But I don't know. These are still going for $90. I really like these 2002 Rs. New Balance has had some really good sales. They don't have the best colorways. That's the only issue. Like these right here, freaking dope. I really like these. These are going for $100. These are pretty nice as well, but we haven't seen these dope colorways at the New Balance outlet. And like I said, this is the cheapest we've ever seen these. This is a really nice one. These Time and Turf on sale here. I don't think I've seen these on sale at any other spot, so that's pretty dope. And Cortezes, we've seen Cortezes, 3 different ones. We're seeing a lot more shoes here. We're seeing Vomero Pluses. We're seeing the, what are those? The premiums, the Pegasus premiums, and even the Pegasus Plus. This is the first time I've seen Pegasus Plus at Shoe Palace, so that's pretty dope. Then I guess these Kobe's, they've been readily available, huh? Okay. Northridge, they had these Kobe's. They got both the black and purple one here as well. These are going for $120. Jaw had some Air Forces. I didn't know he had Air Forces like that. Okay, $125 for these bad boys. They're all right. And if you have to wear boots to work, maybe you could fool people and wear these. So, so some wheat. Pickup is until 5 p.m. I keep forgetting that it's a freaking Friday. I keep thinking it's a Saturday. I was like, I thought you guys had to pick up I thought pickup was till noon. Yeah, I totally forgot it's a Friday. I was like, oh yeah, on Fridays you guys give people till 5. But yeah, I've been seeing these at the Adidas outlets. They do have them here, the Adi Stars. They are freaking comfy. $110 for those. $110, not bad. All right, let's move on to the next one. Let's go. We got a couple more stores. Of course, first thing I gotta check out, 70% off. And they got Nike stuff right here. Look at this. They got Nike. This is a Tech Pack. What are these called? Windbreakers? Tech Pack Windbreakers. And they got them for $145. They do have them for 70% off. So these are under $50. Under $50. They only have XLs though. XL. So they do have stuff for some of y'all. Dang it. Yeah, it takes some hunting, but they do have something for you guys at some of these locations with the 70% off. They got a bunch of t-shirts and Mo t-shirts. I don't need no damn t-shirts. Then they got this stuff right here. This is another 70% off. A lot of the Champ sports gear. They also got New Balance shorts right here. Yeah, they tripping, dude, because Foot Locker has these for 60, and then here they got it for 70. Got Pegasus Plus right here. Those 990s, I showed you how cheap those were in the grade school. They're freaking 180 for men's. Was it that exact same colorway too? It might have been. Didn't we just see these for 100 or 75? We saw these for 75, right? And then in the men, 2002 Rs. The 480s. Yeah, we just saw this for cheap somewhere. Where the hell did I just see that for cheap? Was that over there? I don't know. I don't remember. Yeah, this is a grade school and women's section over here. They got some New Balances and stuff. I don't know what the hell these are. 740s? I don't know. Oh, that's a Saucony right here. That's the New Balance. But yeah, they got some stuff. Decent prices. Not too crazy. Sauconys right there. And then in the women's section, prices going down. Look at this. Cream color Evo SL right here. Pretty solid price. And Sambas, I've never seen Sambas like this. Oh, this extra girly stuff right there. It doesn't even have a price though. This is an OG with a super long tongue right there. This is like the non-OG one, the regular tongue. And they have some sales in there, but overall, not super crazy. GameStops have been dead as hell lately. There's nobody in there. Nobody in there. They still have a huge line. What the hell? What the hell? The Lego store has a huge freaking line. They got some. Oh, they got special sales. That's right. Okay. Okay. Damn, I actually do want to get something for my niece. Damn, at the Lego store, but I don't know. We'll see. And then a JD, kind of the same that we did see over there at the Northridge location. But it is great to see these on sale right here. That's what's up. And then these right here too. This is actually cheaper than some of the other spots, right? Dang, they have a size, like a size 13, even though they have more sizes. Kind of like this color right here, the 90s, 60s, but not a big sale. And I'm looking at more stuff on sale right now because I just grabbed the black cats and yeah, not trying to go too deep into my bank account. But yeah, nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. Not bad for Reeboks right here. Classic leathers, not bad, almost 50% off. That is grade school. And here they still do got the taxis. French blues not on sale though. In this spot they do have these on sale, but not as close. Look, that's what I'm talking about. Are these the new the New Balance black cats? Not really, but yeah, that's what I'm talking about, dude. Just not as low as some of the other spots. Despite that, still packed as hell because they do have a good location. I guess I can show what I got on feet. I do got Kobe Protro ones, MPLS cutaway, and someone did step on my shoes, man. I'm so irritated. This is California, so you get to wear shorts and a t-shirt while everybody else is cold as hell. Yeah, we see plenty of sale signs, just like I said, just not the biggest sales compared to a lot of the other spots. But definitely a dope location.